In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task reminders in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily access the tools you need. If you manage multiple records or daily follow-ups, setting task reminders is a simple way to stay organized and avoid missing important deadlines. Once you're logged in, look for the plus or create button. This is where you can quickly add new items in HubSpot, including tasks. Click that button to open the creation menu, then choose task from the available options. This will open the task setup window where you can enter all the details for your reminder. Now, type in the task title. Keep the title clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later. A good task title should tell you exactly what needs to be done at a glance, especially if you're managing several tasks at the same time. Next, configure the task details. This is where you can add any supporting information that helps define the task more clearly. Take a moment here to make sure the task is set up properly, since accurate details make it easier to follow through when the reminder appears. After that, set the due date for the task. Choose the date when the task needs to be completed. This is an important step because the reminder timing will be based on this deadline. Once the due date is in place, set the due time as well. Adding a specific time can make your reminder more useful, especially for tasks tied to meetings, calls, or time-sensitive follow-ups. With the date and time selected, click the Reminder dropdown. This is where you decide when HubSpot should notify you before the task is due. Select a reminder time that fits your workflow. For example, you may want a reminder shortly before the deadline, or much earlier if you need preparation time. The best option depends on how you prefer to manage your schedule. Before creating the task, review all the task details carefully. Double-check the title, due date, due time, and reminder setting to make sure everything looks correct. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes and save time later. When everything is ready, click Create. Your task will now be saved in HubSpot with the reminder settings you selected, helping you stay on top of your work and important follow-ups. Thanks for watching.